Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a really simple look for you guys, and yeah, so let's get into this look. Okay you guys, so I'm going to start by priming my face with my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer, and I'm going to be putting this in my T-zones and everywhere that I have a tendency to get oily. And now I'm going to be using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to put this on my eyelids, and then I'm going to begin to just pat that in. And then I'm going to go in with my Buttercup Radiance concealer, and I'm going to use this as my base for my eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder to set the concealer on my eyes. Now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be using this burgundy color right here as my transition color. And I'm going to work that from my outer V all the way into my crease area. And I'm just going to keep working that in until I get the color that I want, and then I will move on to my new color. So from that same Morphe palette, I'm going to be working this purple in very lightly, and then I'm going to go ahead and just pile that on so that I can get the color that I need. And now moving on to the left eye, I'm going to continue that same look that I had on my right eye on the left eye, and I'm just going to continue to work these colors in until they transition. And now I'm going to be going into this Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be utilizing this little gold color right here, and I'm going to be creating kind of like a small cut crease, and I'm going to be packing this color onto my eyelid until I get the kind of color that I want, and then I will move on to the other eye and do the same thing on that eye. Now I'm going to be going in with the NYC High Definition Liquid Eyeliner. This is a very smooth eyeliner, so I just wanted to use this eyeliner on my eyes, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my face, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Matchstick in the color Suede. I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my chin, and my nose area. And then I'm also going to be using the Fenty Matchstick in the color Expresso, and I will begin to blend these both out. And now I'm going to be setting this with my Sacha Buttercup. And for the remainder of my face, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty in 480, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with my brush. For my highlight, I am going to be going in with that Fenty Matte Stick in Cinnamon, and I'm going to be patting that in with my fingers until I get the consistency that I want on my face. And for the lips today, I'm going to be using the Fenty Gloss. And to set this look, I'm going to be spraying with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And finally, I'm going to be using my Make Me Matte Koyvoca Translucent Powder all over my face. This powder is life, y'all. It makes you matte. Let's look at this. Just look at that, okay? I had to slow it down for y'all just so y'all can really see how good it really is. And now back to the regular program. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys like this look. I thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video to my channel. And I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.